Hello children, today in EVS subject we will continue lesson number 5, our first school home. Students, take pencil in your hand and open EVS textbook, page number 34. Let's start. Let us now read about Salman's family. The elder members of Salman's family work as dhobis. You can see that the picture was mentioned on page number 35. All the members of the family, they will be involved in the same profession of dhobis. You can see that you can see in the pictures all the three are working, right? See that all the members of the family lend a hand in washing, drying and ironing of the clothes. Salman and his cousin Rafiq are also learning the work done by the family. See that the Salman and Rafiq are also learning something new, another thing apart from their study, that is washing, drying, and ironing the clothes, because their whole family is involving in a certain profession. So this thing they are learning before going to school. So this way the students are also learning something new apart from the going to the school. Remember and write. Is your family involved in any particular work? If yes, what? The answer should be completely your own answer, because this answer may vary from person to person. Next is, in which all work do you help at home? In which all work do you help at home? For example, some of the students will say that our family is not involving any kind of such professions. Then how we can help in at our home? So what you can do, that you have to think. For example, I have written some of them here. I help my mother to arrange a dining table. Then I bring a glass of water for my father when he asks. I turn off lights when not in use. I help my grandmother to water the plants. And I help my grandparents to find their spectacles. So these are the things you can do it at your home. We learn many things from our family members, like Salman and his cousin Rafiq learned cycling from his uncle. So I think cycling also we are not learning from the school, right children? We are learning from our elder brother or elder sister, or from our father or mother. With the help of our father and mother, we are learning the cycling like that. Now think and tell me the answer. You also learn many things from your family. What and from whom? Has anyone learned anything from you? This answer completely yours. Remember children, you have to think and tell your parents that I learned this thing from you mother, I learned this thing from you father. And ask them what you have learned from me also. That all you have to ask and think also. Now next is think and write. Whom do you meet? Write. When I am sad, I go to my mother, of course, because mother is the one person in the family we love the most. When I want to know about the past, I go to my grandparents. Yes, because they know everything about our family backgrounds, and we know everything when we are used to born. At that time also they know everything about us. When I want to share my secrets, I go to my sister or brother and just tell them, please don't say this to our mummy or our daddy. Please don't say this thing. We are used to do this thing, right? When I do something wrong, I go to my grandmother, because grandmother is the one person in the family who can completely protect us, right? Yes, so we go when we are facing such type of situation, we'll go in some particular persons in the family. Now next is, everyone removes their shoes before entering the house. Is this the custom? This is the custom in Surikha's family. Some of Sureka's friends enter her house without removing their shoes. Sureka's grandfather gets angry at that. I know that in our family also we must follow certain customs, certain rules we have to follow, that we have to take out the shoes out of our house before entering to our house. These are the very common customs we can say that we are usually following. Are there any particular custom followed by your family? What are those? Like first is we pray before having a meal. Second, we put rangoli outside our home every day. See, this type of custom, like putting the rangoli out home every day, is I think generally followed by some Maharashtrian families. We light a diya every evening. We remove our shoes before entering our house. These are the certain customs that we are learning and we are following in the house. I hope you understand, children, everything. Now, next is think and tell. Does any member of your family have any particular habit like laughing loudly when they are happy? Yes, my uncle in my family have a particular habit of laughing loudly when he is happy. I have just written the answer according to my knowledge. It may vary from your knowledge. Second is what do you do when you are happy? Think what you will do when you are happy. When I am happy, I am dancing, shouting and jumping, right? I think these three things we all are doing. Yes, I have written that's why. What other people do expect laughing when they are happy. Other people expect dancing, jumping along with laughing when they are happy. Now next is how do you show respect to elders in your family? Look around to see how others show respect. For example, I have written to show respect to the elderly, we should talk with them politely, never call them by their names, listen to their advice, offer help to the aged people of our family in their day to day activities. And what we can say that the another way by which people show respect towards their elders is by touching their feet for blessing. I think this much things we must have to do to show our respect to the elder persons in the family. Now know and tell this thing completely, you have to do it by yourself. What did older members of family do in their childhood? You have to sit with your grandparents and ask them about their childhood incidents. Listen funny incidents from older members of the family. You can do this also. Means listening, and you can say that what they have learned from that incidents. This also you can ask and discuss with the family members. Up to this much is end up with this our lesson number 5, our first school home. I hope children you understand completely the lesson. The textbook exercise answers I have mentioned in the video. While you are watching the video, you can pause the video and write down your answers in the textbook. So till then, thank you so much.